Today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020, otherwise known as Day 37 of Digital Learning. Let's remember what we've talked about so far. We've talked about an array, which is an arrangement of horizontal rows and vertical columns. An array must be made up of any number of objects that can be put into equal rows and columns. Our key vocabulary for today would be repeated addition, which is adding the same number or addend over and over again. Our I can statement is I can determine the number of objects in an array by using repeated addition. Let's look at our I do for today. It says, Bo is designing a garden to plant tomatoes. He designed 2 gardens. One has 5 rows and 4 columns of tomatoes, and the second has 6 rows and 3 columns of tomatoes. What garden design would allow Bo to plant the most tomatoes? So the first thing I'm going to do is circle my numbers. I see 2. I see 5, 4, second is a number, 6, and 3. I'm going to underline my question. What garden design would allow Bo to plant the most tomatoes? I'm going to box my action words. Rows, columns, rows, and columns, and the most. So we want to find the one that has the most. Garden. So he designed also 2 gardens. So the first garden, I'm going to do in purple. So garden 1 is in purple, so I can see the difference. So I see in garden 1 has 5 rows and 4 columns. So garden 1's in purple, so we can go 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, and 5 rows, because each box equals a plant. So 4 columns, 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, and 4 columns. So here's 1 row, 2 rows, 1 more, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's my another 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm gonna fill out the rest of it. And I'm gonna number in orange my how many plants he's planted in garden 1. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So in garden 1, there's 20 plants. Oops. Tomato plants. Okay, so for garden 2, I'm going to do that in green. Garden 2 is in green, so we can see the difference. In garden 2, on the second garden, has 6 rows and 3 columns. So I'm going to start drawing my 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here's my 6 rows and my 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. So that's 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to fill out the rest with my, so I can see it. Now I'm going to also take my orange pen and I'm going to number each of my boxes. So each plant, again, is a box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So garden 2 has 18 tomato plants. And so our question again says, what garden design would allow Bo to plant the most tomatoes? So most means having which one has the bigger number. And in this case, we know garden 1 has 20 plants and garden 2 has 18 plants. Well, we know 20 is bigger than 18. So my answer would be garden 1 would allow Bo to plant the most tomato plants. So for today, you will be doing a quick check. You will be clicking on the link below and answering the questions. We can't wait to see your work, and we will see you soon.